Want the ultimate family hauler? This is the 2025 GLS 63 AMG. This specific car has over 600 horsepower and almost 630 pound-feet of torque. This car also has the large AMG monoblock forged wheels, the warmth and comfort package, AMG night package, AMG performance steering wheel with microfiber and carbon fiber design, Burmester surround system, soft closed doors, multi-contour front seats with massage, and captain's chairs in the rear. Underneath the car, we have an AMG Speed Shift 9-speed automatic transmission with AMG Active Ride Control suspension. This also has the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system and the AMG Dynamic Select system. This car as well has the active dynamic engine mounts and AMG electronic limited slip differential with the AMG Performance exhaust system.